Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Alicia, and for today's video I am currently at the Taj Holiday Village. So we're spending the weekend here, and I thought I'll make a video and show you around as to what does it look like. This is a beautiful property, so I'll take you on a complete tour showing you what are the sunsets like, and also giving you information about what is the Sinquerium beach like, because this is exactly on the Sinquerium beach. So all of this coming up, so, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you do enjoy this, do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on that notification bell, because I make videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information and updates from Goa. So this is their reception area, and that's the parking right there. This place is so gorgeous. So they have a shopping place here for your clothes and some handicraft. So this is one of their cottages as well. This place is so amazing for your getaway. They have these cottages which are really nice for family and large groups as well. Okay, so let's hop on a buggy and go. Len, you want to sit in the front?
Go.
Okay, fine. So.
Okay, no?
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Thank you. So this is one of the cottages that we're at, and let me just show you around. So you have an amazing view on the outside. So let me just quickly show you what the toilet is like. So this is the view outside. Wow, this is so gorgeous. You have this place to, just sit down and chill. And these are all cottages. And heading that side is your beach. So I'll take you and show you around there as well in a while. But this is so gorgeous. So this is by the poolside. It's pretty crowded, so I'm not going to go there. And this side, right opposite to the pool, is your beach. Why can't you go climbing the other side? So how are you enjoying it, Len? How are you enjoying Taj?
I like it.
Len?
I like it.
You like Taj? Enjoying? Love the property?
Yeah.
So we're just headed towards the sunset point, and it's by the beach, so I'll just show you what it is like from there. Wow. I don't know if you can hear the beach noise. The breeze is so amazing. So this property is actually quite huge. So you have cottages everywhere, right? Starting from the beach around until, from the reception as well. One thing that I really like about this particular property is the greenery is so amazing. It's so lush green all over. And then that's the beach right there. And this is the entire lawn area, right, starting from that end until there. So this right here that you can see is the Sinquerim fort, and this is the Sinquerim beach as well. So it's quite crowded. Let me just walk that side and show you what it's like. The sky is so pretty today. So we're here for the weekend, and this is so gorgeous. So they have a kids play area as well, which is right here. And this is the sunset viewpoint. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So this is actually the Sinquerium fort, and that's the Sinquerium beach as well. And as you can see, this place is crowded. So right that side is Baga, and then you have the Kalangut beach, which is right next to that, and then Candolim, Sinquerim. So this is a complete stretch of beaches. And somewhere I have a feeling that we're going to have an amazing sunset today. So this is the Taj sunset deck, and currently I am on the beach. So I'm just taking a walk to the beach just to show you what is the crowd like. And as you can see, the tides are pretty rough. So that is the Sinquerim fort, and this is the Sinquerim beach. Wow, the tides are really rough. This is so beautiful.